Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to fix Telegram. You can only send message to mutual contact at the moment. So the first thing you need to do, and that is very important, is to make sure your Telegram app on your cell phone was updated. And maybe after you update your Telegram, your problem will be solved, okay? But if you update your Telegram doesn't work, what you do? It's simple, okay? You need to close your Telegram app and go to the settings of your cell phone. Right here in the settings of your cell phone, you need to go to the apps and notifications, okay? And right here in the apps and notifications, you need to click in Telegram, okay? If you don't see right here the Telegram, just searching in the searching bar for Telegram, okay? After that, the first step is force stop of the app, okay? So just click in force stop and confirm. And the second step, you need to go to the storage, okay? Right here, you need to clear storage, clear the cache. After that, you reinstall the app on your device, and probably your bug was be solved, okay? So, I hope I can help you with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!